This 2001 custom Colonial is set on 2 lush acres on a private road in a quiet country setting in Cumberland. Inlaid hardwood and tile flooring gleam with natural light permeating throughout the spacious floor plan. The gorgeous 2-story foyer adjoins the formal dining room, showcasing rich custom paneling that creates a sumptuous atmosphere for meals. On the opposite side of the foyer is a first-floor study, stepping down to a large entertainment room with lovely round-top windows. The incredible kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances and granite counters and a center island. A serving window services the breakfast bar and the adjacent eat-in area that overlooks the deck. Both the kitchen and eat-in area access the oversized family room with a gas fireplace where you can relax with family and friends. Multiple accesses allow you to walk out to the picturesque rear yard with room for outdoor activities and gatherings. A delightful pergola hangs over the deck, looking out to the heated in-ground pool with a waterfall that is surrounded by a paver patio with a fire pit. On the second floor, you will find the magnificent master suite with an adjoining loft overlooking the first level and 2 walk-in closets. The oversized master bathroom contains separate vanities, a soaking tub, and a walk-in tiled shower. This floor additionally includes 2 full baths and 3 bedrooms, with one having a private bath, allowing it to double as a guest suite. The large finished 3rd floor provides additional living space where you can create an office or dedicated exercise room. The location is close to multiple schools, including Cumberland Middle School and Community School in Arnold's Mills. Explore Diamond Hill Park and its abandoned ski trails, or grab a scoop at the ice cream machine. Enjoy locally grown produce at Phantom Farms and all of the farms in the area. Convenient highway access allows for easy commutes to the Boston metro area and downtown Providence. For more information, please visit the property website or call Martha LaPierre at area code 401-447-9966.